In forex, a winning trade can be bad, and a losing trade can be good. Sounds crazy, right? But if you want to become a fearless, profitable trader, you must understand this. 1. What is a good trade? A good trade is not defined by profit. It's defined by discipline. A good trade is one that follows your system, your rules, your plan. Let's say your strategy says, wait for the 100 and 200 moving average to cross. Wait for stochastic to reach oversold. Only then, enter long. You feel the urge to enter early. The market is moving. You're excited. But you wait. Then the signal appears. You enter. Price moves in your favor, then reverses, and hits your stop loss. You lost money. But you won something more important. You won discipline. That was a good losing trade. 2. The dangerous win. Now imagine this. Your rules say risk only 5% per trade. But you see a setup on US dollar to Japanese yen that looks perfect. You feel confident. You feel unstoppable. So you risk 20% instead. The trade wins. You make money. But don't celebrate. That was a bad profitable trade. Because you didn't follow your rules, you followed your emotions. And emotions don't scale. 3. Fearless trading mindset. Fearless traders don't chase wins. They build systems. They don't trade to feel good. They trade to stay consistent. Because in this game, luck fades, discipline compounds. So remember this. A good trade is not about money. It's about mastery. And mastery is what makes you fearless.